When they ask me about Bosnia and Herzegovina, I say that whole country should be a national park. Welcome to Cvrsnica Mountain, Blidinje Park of Nature.
Nestled in the heart of Bosnia and Herzegovina, Mountain Cvrsnica offers a stunning blend of natural beauty and outdoor adventure. Towering at 2,228 meters, its rugged peaks provide breathtaking views and are a heaven for hikers, climbers, and nature enthusiasts. Located at the base of Cvrsnica, Blidinje Nature Park is a sanctuary of pristine landscapes and cultural heritage. It is home to the serene Blidinje Lake. And, of course, while there, do not miss Hajducka Vrata, a stunning natural rock formation. Enjoy hiking, skiing, and birdwatching in this Bosnian gem. Join us for an unforgettable adventure.